I would be happy to ensure that those who want to come and be part of the Eastern Congo that belong there or belong to Congo and want to be part of the struggle to get a stable Congo, I would welcome them. It doesn't have to be Kabila, but we're talking about Kabila. Kabila made his own choice. His own choice of how he has his problems. You know how the current government has been running after him or has prosecuted him or has to death or maybe taken over some of his assets or whatever they did. So how does this person say he wants to confront this situation in his country and I refuse him passage? How? What sense would it make?
Mr. President, your development model rests in part